I no longer fry chicken drumsticks in oil. Now I only fry them in water. That's right, in water. If you love incredibly juicy chicken but want to avoid deep frying, then this recipe is perfect for you. Pay attention, as I'll show you how absurdly easy it is. Here I have about 1 pound of chicken drumsticks, and we're going to put them all in the pan. Now we'll cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. Look at that. It's already cooked a bit. Next, let's season it with a bit of salt, pepper, a little paprika, and for that special flavor, some hot paprika. Then, let's stir everything carefully. And once again, this is oil-free. That's right, only water. We've mixed it well, and now I'll let it cook a bit longer. And look, the water has already evaporated a lot. I'm going to add 3 chopped garlic cloves, and look at the juiciness of this chicken, still without a drop of oil. The only oil here is from the chicken's own fat. Now I'll add a tablespoon of soy sauce, then give it another good stir. And look, it's already frying for real and creating that delicious crust. Here the water has evaporated well, and now it just needs to brown. Imagine serving this incredible chicken at your home without any oil. The smell is simply sensational. But we're not done yet. It's time for our special touch. Let's add some ketchup, just a little bit. And then a little mustard. Now just stir well. Now take a look at this. Your neighbors might even knock on your door asking to have lunch with you, because the smell fills the whole house. This chicken is amazing. Now that it's nicely browned, I'll take it off the heat and serve with style. See how you can prepare super juicy and delicious chicken without a drop of oil? This recipe is perfect for those who want to avoid frying, but don't want to compromise on a delicious, well-seasoned dish. And the best part is, it's really easy to make, using only water to cook, extracting the chicken's own fat. This is definitely one of those recipes to save and repeat often. Cooking can be both healthy and flavorful, and this recipe is proof of that. So don't forget to try it at home. I bet you'll love it. Then don't forget to come back and let me know your thoughts, okay? So this was today's video. Hope you liked it. Bye, and I'll see you guys in the next video.